Okay, you guys, so in part 4, we are going to be figuring out the area for each of these figures. So if you notice in the first one, A, we have a rectangle. If you remember, with the rectangle, we're going to multiply the base times the height. So that's going to be 18 times 7. So 18 times 7 is, if you get your calculators out, 126. But we have to remember, we have to put in the measurement, or how we measured, so we have to put in our label. So answer 126, or area, equals 126 feet squared. And remember, we have to put that squared in because we are doing the area, so it's everything inside. Okay, if it was just a perimeter, we wouldn't do squared. So the area is going to equal 126 feet squared. So remember, with a triangle, you're going to first start as if it is a rectangle. So I'm just going to put these little dashy lines so you can see, if this were a rectangle, it would be this, right? And so you're going to do the same measurements. This here, where it says 17 meters, we actually are not going to use that measurement. They put that there, and we're not actually going to use that because all we need to know is the base and the height. And so we've got 16 times 6. 16 is 96. So 96. All right, but now we're not done, because 96 is if it were if it were a rectangle, but it is not. It's half of that, isn't that? So now we need to divide this by 2. And we get 48. 48. So the area equals 48 meters squared. Don't want to forget that, because we are dealing with the area still. Area equals 48 meters squared. Okay, now we'll go ahead and, as a class, do the rest of them.